Dear student, if you are here, it means that you want to learn something about bioinformatics. So for this, first of all, I would like that you download and install Python. From where we can download Python from python.org. So we will download the latest version of Python. Python latest version is 3.12.6. Click on it, and here you can download for Windows installer, Mac operating system. Which one is suitable for you? Just download it from here. So this is recommended for me and I will download it. While downloading, be careful which version is suitable for you. It will help you in your analysis, and also it will be compatible with your system. I will be back when it completed, downloaded and completed. I will be back. So stay tuned. Dear student, we have downloaded our Python. Okay, now I will install. So first of all, look at the GUI that have shown in Python installation 64-bit. Now I can click on install now, and I want to do customize installation or custom installation. For this, I will click on yes, check it, and I will check it too. After that, I will go for customize installation. Click on it. So if in your case these sum of will be unchecked, if it's the same then doesn't matter. Go for next. If there is any unchecked point, you should be check like this. Okay, so it's compulsory for installation, because in future you will not face any error. So next, click on next, and then I would like that you check everything. Okay, doesn't matter. So after that you will if you want to change the browse location, you can change any other directory folder. It will be also good, but by default is fine. So click on install. Yes, setup progress, installation initializing. So it will take some time, and after that your Python is ready for installation. Soon installation will completed. So remember my Python version, because I will check what's my Python version as. So for this it's important to remember the Python version that you have installed. After installation, I will go to command prompt for checking the version as my Python is installed or not. It make me clarified. Okay, and also there's a thing that Python ideally is also a clarification that your Python is installed or not. I will tell you how to check these requirements. Successfully. Okay, setup was successfully close. So now I will check ideally. Okay, I have ideally. After that I will go for command prompt. Okay, And command prompt, I will type Python dash dash version. So the version that I installed was 3.12.6. So exactly the same version I have installed. If you have installed the oldest version, so it will shows like that. If you have installed latest version, so you will have only latest version in your case, which Python is installed by you and your system. So this is the verification we have installed Python successfully. After Python installation, I will try to install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Okay, for this I will go here. After that, I will click on download for window or download for window. Yes, here downloading is start. It is 96.6 MB. It will take my 1 minute. So after downloading, stay tuned. I will be here. Come back. So doesn't matter. Congratulations to all. Soon our download will be finished. Yeah, it's finished. So I will go for installation. Double click on it. Accept the all requirement and argument, agreement, etc. If you want to read, if you have time, then it's good to understand these things because it's very important. But being a student, we are in hurry and we just want to install. Okay, go install. So if you need a desktop icon, so click on it, create a desktop icon, it will be okay for you. And also click on install. I have already installed Visual Studio. Okay, this is my Visual Studio. For your purpose, I am installing again. So the system will be like that. Congratulations, we have installed Python and Visual Studio Code. From next lecture, we will perform some bioinformatics analysis. Okay, so happy learning.